Beautiful facilities next to the MRT, almost brand new renovations. Welcome back to Visionaire. This is Diana from the Property Runway, and today I have a beautiful 3 bedrooms available for sale. With 1 main entrance and 2 side gates, Visionaire is just a short walk to Canberra MRT, the Plaza, as well as plenty of eateries in the area. This large and luxe condominium comes with a large drop-off point, beautiful gardens, huge pools, and not forgetting the clubhouse with a gym, karaoke rooms, reading rooms, and many more. With such a relaxing environment, one feels instantly at peace when you enter this space. As for the property itself, it is located on level 6, and this unit sits privately in the corner. This 872 square feet unit is very functional. So once you step into the house, there's this little foyer before the entire house unfolds before you. Now we can see that this is actually a portrait layout which enables you to have a separate living and dining area. This entire space is also super functional at 872 square feet for a 3-bedder. What's wonderful is that the kitchen also comes in 2 parts, the dry area as well as the wet area, where you can do most of your heavy cooking. So what we really like about this kitchen is also how it has this beautiful glass window, so you can look after your little ones as you cook up a storm. The entire home is bright because we are a distance away from our neighbours. The entire house faces southeast, and as you can see, this balcony is a great size for alfresco dining or even a little garden to call your very own. We also appreciate how the common bedrooms are staggered down this corridor, and both of them are very similar in size. As for the master bedroom, here's where the design differs from other layouts. The space here feels very generous, and you get a wardrobe space larger than most of the other 3 bedrooms. Why? This is because of the split bathroom. You have your sink and vanity area here, and the toilet as well as the shower area separated by a doorway. This enables a lot more space in the bedroom, great for those of you who love to have a larger space for the masters of the house. Like to make this modern home your very own? Call the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing. See you soon!